Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tanya Singh, and here we have Sahil Kumar. Today we will be discussing on the very relevant topic: should there will be a limit for how AI is used? So, Sahil, my first question would be: do you really think that AI should have a boundary in how they are developed or deployed? Why or why not?
Hello, Tanya. So, firstly, I'd say that AI is relatively new to us. Like any powerful technology, AI could be immensely beneficial to us, or if left unchecked, it could be also potentially risky. So, as if we keep AI in check and keep it or make it safe for users, then we could say that AI could be of very much use to each and every one of us. And yes, obviously there should be limits as AI is obviously new to us and we still don't know how to use it or how not to use it. So these limits wouldn't let's say destroy AI, but it would allow us to know it better.
Okay, Sahil. So, what do you think that what are the biggest risks of using AI without a limitations?
The biggest risks I would say would be privacy invasions, as if left unchecked, AI could track data of any individual without consent. It could be due to bias or discrimination as well, as AI doesn't know how to treat people, or if they treat certain groups unfairly, then that could be a risk.
I completely agree with
Yeah.
you, Sahil. So, my third thing would be like AI. You know that, na? AI is forwarding, improving very fast. So, what do you think? Like, should government should take a regulate it or not?
I would say yes, but wisely. Government should make such limitations that AI keeps up with the technological world as well as with humans for flexibility. We government could make safety checks on AI or some regulations that doesn't allow AI to malfunction. So I would say yes, government could step in for the betterment of AI.
So, Sahil, some people say that too many regulation will hinder innovation. What your opinion on this?
I would say hindering is not going to affect innovation as history tells us. Like, for example, let's take the automobile industry. When the safety belts were introduced, the automobile industry didn't kill itself. In fact, they worked around it to make the car much safer and a better experience for the people. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So my last but not the least question will be to you will be where should we draw a line with the AI in our everyday life? What do you think?
I would say since AI is not a real person and is coded by humans, I would say uh, places where human life or death are involved. AI shouldn't be involved in those. Then let's take about criminal justice. AI shouldn't be the judge or the jury. And similarly, let's take AI could also work with us, but yeah, I would say overall, AI is beneficial, but without planning or working around with individuals, AI could be of huge threat. So, yeah, that is
So
all.
I would ask you like what is your final conclusion on this?
I would say AI is a very good opportunity for humans, and we could do very well with this technology, but only if it is kept in check and used under um, certain circumstances.
Okay,
That's
thank
all.
you so much.